Okay, what are we up to this evening? Well, when I got this DAC 9, it's missing the channel display. It was missing one of the light bulbs out of the VU meters. It was just not even there. So I made my own out of 2 LEDs, which works fine, but I wanted the factory look with the incandescent bulbs, which are these frosted glass, and they're no longer available. So I bought these on eBay, which are just slightly smaller. So that's going to be going in here, but as you can see, it's not frosted glass. And so how do we deal with that? And I am going to put this on the glass. This is glass etching acid that you use for arts and crafts. I used it in the past to make like a drinking glass that had something etched on it. But we will be doing that for about 10 minutes to get this bulb looking frosty like that. So we've currently applied the acid etch to the actual glass tube light bulb itself, and we're letting it sit here for about 20 minutes. Should be enough to give it the frosted effect, and then we'll wipe that off and rinse it off to get all the acid counteracted. And after applying that acid etch to the light bulb, this is what it looks like compared to the one that's not treated. So as you can see, it definitely worked. It may not be quite as frosty as the DAC factory light bulb, but it's definitely more frosty than nothing. So we'll get that installed and we'll be back to see the comparison of the amount of light that is cast in the VU meter. Okay, we've got the new light bulb soldered in place next to the original light bulb. Let's turn the power on and see what happens. Those look pretty close to me, so we'll get the VU meter covers installed and then we'll see what they look like in the dark. All right, moment of truth. Hey, it looks pretty good. Maybe a slightly oranger, I don't know. Yeah. Not enough difference that anyone's ever gonna notice or care. And I'm gonna keep the other bulbs as backups because I didn't want to just throw all $20 worth of light bulbs in there since the other 3 of these are still working. So yeah, one step further to restoring this DAC 9.